Ooh. Simone, come here. I found her. This is the perfect lady episode. Like a peachy little cloud, you get floral notes coming from the Beefeater, balanced off perfectly with the citrus and the crème de pêche. There's no better drink to just sip and enjoy the summer day. One of my favorite drinks just for the pure deliciousness of it. Definitely give this one a try. You're gonna make a lot of people happy. But don't just wait to see this. Stick around to the end and we're gonna find out if you can make the perfect lady with vodka. Or in other words, will it vodka? I'm Rico, this is Absolut Drinks with Rico, and I'm Rico. Let's get into it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and you'll never miss a drink. So, I take my little juice cup and a nice lemon, give that a slice, and give this a juice. Always juice the lemon straight from the fruit, don't buy in concentrated, and always use fresh eggs, because you don't want to die. I've got my citrus elbow, which is my preferred method of juicing. The only reason why I prefer this is because you do get an element of the lemon zest oils as you squeeze it, which gives another dimension of flavor. Next up, I'm gonna just prep some eggs. We only want some egg white in this drink. I am using the traditional ingredient of egg white. You can, of course, use aquafaba. We've already spoke about Kevin Cos in his super form. You do what you do. Just do you, boo. Okay, we're gonna separate the eggs. Oof, this is an interesting egg. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. And don't forget to click the notification bell. Always do this. Like it's funny. It's not funny. There's many different techniques to do this. Google one. So we've got our lemon juice prepped. We've got our egg, I almost said egg juice. We've got our egg white prepped. Let's build the drink and give it a shake. The Perfect Lady, which is, again, one of my preferred drinks, was actually created by a bartender named Sydney Cox in the Grosvenor Hotel in around 1936. There is a long story about royalty around this. Also, Google that. I'm not here as a historian. So what you're gonna need is 20 mils of fresh lemon juice per drink. I am making 2. Next up, you're gonna want 15 mils per drink of sugar syrup. There we go. And what makes it perfect, crème de pêche, 15 mils per drink. Always try and buy the best quality liqueurs you can, because they will have a much more true to the fruit flavor. And next up, the star of the show, we've got some good London dry gin. Beefeater is one of my preferred, and we're gonna want 45 mils per drink going in. You want to add the egg white last, just because we do have citrus juice in there, we do have alcohol in there. We want to be shaking it before it starts cooking, because it will cook itself. So add that last, and you'll be good to go. So we want a little bit in, whoosh, and then we're gonna ice things up. I am a reverse dry shake type of person, so that's what I was gonna be doing. Now we're just gonna get rid of all the ice. And now that we've got that perfectly chilled, we wanna make sure it's nice and frothy, give it a quick emulsion by giving it a dry shake. You know when it's done shaking, when it just sounds correct. It's the only way I can tell you. If you don't know what it sounds like, just keep making them till you do. So, got ourselves a lovely little glass. One of my preferred pieces of glassware. I want it to be like almost overflowing. I'm good. We have those beautiful little fluffy clouds there. What I want to do is take a lemon and just do a nice little slice, disc, coin, however you see fit to call it, of lemon zest. Get those beautiful zest all over the place and just drop that on. If it sinks into the foam, don't worry about it. It's just gonna add to the character. And there we have it, guys. One of my personal favorites, the Perfect Lady. Come closer, you can see. Oh, it's going, it's going, it's going, it's going. And it's gone. Do you even get that in focus? Super fluffy, super delicious, super light. No one I've given this to has ever turned it down or said that they did not like this. It's a great drink. Give it a try. I promise you it's gonna work. But I know why you're all here, guys. Not only are you gonna like, subscribe, comment, click that notification button, you're also gonna stay around to answer, to ask the #1 question of this entire show. Will it vodka? And that's what we're gonna find out. Can we make a vodka version of the Perfect Lady? So let's not mess around. We've got a lot of our, no we don't. We need to juice some more lemons. We're already gonna use this one, even though we've had slices out of it, because that's what we do here. We do not waste. So, let's try and make a Peachy Lady. We're gonna start with the same ingredients, 20 mils of fresh lemon juice per drink. So rather than the 15 ml of sugar syrup and 15 ml of crème de pêche, I'm actually gonna just add 20 mils of sugar syrup directly to the mix. And the reason for that is we're gonna actually add Absolut Peach, which is an amazing aroma of fresh peach and one of my preferred flavors of Absolut. And we're gonna add 45 mils per drink. So essentially, like what I said at the start, about the Perfect Lady being a twist on a white lady, this is a peach vodka sour. We're just calling it the Peachy Lady, but it's gonna be delicious, guys. So we've got all our ingredients in there. We're gonna add some egg white and we're gonna give it a shake. And again, same thing, we're gonna do a reverse dry shake. We're gonna get our little glasses and we're gonna go straight in. Little peachy cloud. We're gonna take some of these fresh, juicy peaches right here. Just gonna cut around the stone because I want that stone imprint in my little garnish. And we're gonna just take some wedges and then we can just old school garnish. So there we have it, guys. The Peachy Lady, let's give it a go. Again, deliciously peachy. You are missing a lot of the floral notes from the gin, but the peach has been upped by 11. Still velvety, still citrusy, still perfectly balanced. This is a great drink. And if you don't have any gin lying around and you've got some Absolut Peach, this is the one for you. Peachy Ladies all around.
Which one do you prefer?
I plead the fifth.